Coach, congratulations and belated happy birthday. We witnessed a competitive and highly physical game today, but with JJ out of the game, how would you describe how the locals held the fort for rain or shine?
Yeah, medyo unfortunate yung nangyari. I think the referees just lost control of the game at that time. They were allowing too much contact. But when it happened, I knew parang imposibleng manalo, no? 6 minutes pa yata left to go. And then there's really no way or matchup you can do against Bol. You just, when he takes a shot, nagdadasal ka lang na magminti sana eh. Kasi hindi mo naman masusupalpal, wala ka naman magagawa. So, incredible toughness that the team showed, and our prayers just worked. Kasi mahirap talaga eh. Nung first time I saw him on the court, I was thinking, how do you play against this guy? Parang dapat nasa Meralco siya, pwede siyang gawing poste ng Meralco. Ang ganda pa nung unang start niya, he wasn't missing any shots. No? So, you see him that tall, not missing any shots, and you think there's nothing you can do. No? But we just practiced patience. We just played with a lot of toughness. Yun lang naman magagawa mo. And I guess I have a really good bunch of guys who have high character, who can play with a lot of effort. We sustained our pace for 48 minutes. I think that's the only way you can beat TNT with Bol is you have to play with pace for 48 minutes. That's what I told them. Sabi ko, kung may makakalimutan tayo sa game plan, ang isang bagay lang natin huwag kakalimutan, we have to play with pace for 48 minutes.
Thank you, Coach Yang. Now we would like to open the floor to our friends from the press.
Congratulations. What's the way na beaten Bol and TNT? Do you think would even the other teams parang hope na yun nga, may ways to beat Bol?
Siguro nabigyan ng pag-asa yung ibang teams kasi nakita nila it's not an impossible job, but it's still a very difficult job. We were lucky, sabi ko nga, na nakalaban namin sila on their first game. Bol will be better in his second game, in his third game. So, swerte lang din talaga kami.
Then, yung basket mo against Bol, prior to that, talagang hindi na tayo mong makalusot sa kanya, pero uhuli ka niya. Pero ano mong adjustment ginawa mo doon? Seems na yun, parang stretch pa yung
nakita ko si Adrian, sabi niya, gumanon. Sabi niya, naliliitan siya kay Bol.
Yun na, sinusubukan ko talagang, tina-challenge ko sa lalan, talagang sobrang laki. Bilang beses ako nabutata. Tsaka yung last talagang tinaasan ko na lang yung tira ko, pumasok.
Coach, you're trailing by 18 points. Ano lang yung... Tapos you were hitting your outside shots din kasi eventually. So, gano'ng kalaking bagay yun.
Yun nga, the real way to beat them is you have to hit your 3-point shots. Because Bol's gonna take away the paint from you. You have to hit your 3-point shots. That's why every open 3-point shot we got, sabi ko, every open 3-point shot na makita nyo, you have to take them. That's the way to beat them. And then you have to play with pace. We can only get to the paint in transition. Pagka naging half-court game na yan, nandun na si Bol sa gitna. So that's the only way to beat them.
Coach, yung effort naman ni Johnson before the ejection, ano lang yung masahe mo parang...
Incredible effort by Jalen, no? It's just too bad nangyari yung incident. But Sobrang bait ng taong yun, no? Kaya lang yun napikon dahil pinikon talaga siya. So kung gusto kong pikunin yung import ng ibang team, gagawin ko lang. Isang basurang player, papasuntok ko lang yung player na yun. So, ganun lang nangyari, no? So, well, we accepted that when it happened. Sabi ko, tanggapin na natin. Hindi natin maisasave si Jalen, so we just have to play without him.
Coach, Luis Villegas, maganda din ang pinakita kanina. Ano lang yung masasabi mo dun sa meron siyang crucial na fade away shot.
Paganda yung laro ni Luis, no? Well, that's the reason also we're increasing his minutes. And he's justifying those minutes, he's earning those minutes. Actually, nababagalan pa ako sa kanya. Pwede pa siyang mas mabilis, no? Pagka nakuha niya talaga yung fitness niya or yung actually psychological na lang sa kanya, maybe he still may konting pag-iingat pa siya dun sa tuhod niya, pero psychological na lang yan. When he passes that stage, he'll be a lot better.